Happy day, beautiful people. Here I am pictured with my private tour guide, Pat. He was absolutely amazing. He went above and beyond all that I asked of him. He was my photographer. He was my videographer. He just really did an excellent job. So if you're ever in Chiang Mai, Thailand, reach out to him. You will not be disappointed. This is my final full day in Thailand. My first stop is here at Sticky Waterfalls and this fountain park.
Tell me how to have you seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before.
If you look closely, the water in this fountain was clear and it looked really pretty. It streamed through the waterfalls in the park.
I want water and for Lache. Like this. Yeah, for Lache.
For Lache?
Yeah, Lache.
Lache.
Yeah, you?
On my head.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just head. And you? Yeah.
for Lucky.
Yeah, for Lache.
Say yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say yeah. Are you tryna leave? How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Now with the music is moving too fast, slide my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say you're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Just start by saying, oh, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh, how I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie.
So of course, as you see, I'm on the sticky waterfalls. They're not sticky. It's just that the rocks aren't slimy where you just like slide. Now there were a couple spots once I reached the top that was a little slippery. I actually slid down and was saved by a really nice guy. But overall, it was really nice. You see me, I'm walking around and being videographed, but then I'll stop and do poses because he was taking pictures at the same time.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me on. But you need to feel like you're still with me. All you hold is wrong. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the phone. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I gotta hate myself. It's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Took a lot that from now on, I will be my own.
Long as she don't care when she wants, she gets this. Asking for a yellow.
Found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies that can feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies that can feel me, help me sing it out. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Myself, that's all I got in. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me that I hadn't seen nothing. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, but she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the door say, oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you trying to be honest? How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really games. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, oh.
Love it up, baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit me 'cause you know I like it. Breaking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna hug you right. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but some babies. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Don't hold up on my shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and then pay.
Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint.
Oh, she got that water. Hangman got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, giddy up. Don't pay me in gold. Giddy up, giddy up. Back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, giddy up. When the sun goes down, lay up, lay up. Can hear her body howl. I feel her eyeing me like how. How'd your man wanna hang me? I don't like to sit up in the saddle, boy, I got it. Just relax, I got this. I got that excited. Obsessed, so hypnotic.
One thing that I was amazed by and really appreciated in Thailand was the respect that they had for each other on the road. They drove fast, but as you see, if there's someone behind you, the person in front of you, if they're going slower, they will actually kind of veer off to the emergency lane to let you by. This is an old airplane that they turned into a cafe. They had really good tea and desserts. I had a coconut cake. It was really good. So the cost to enter the cafe was 150 bahts, and that included tea. Sawadika.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look, can the crowd even know where to be found as they sing along? I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates. bring you flowers. Someone to talk to for hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you and mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace. Someone to help you sleep. Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you're like, I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you looking for peace. I see you tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about if you cheat. See you tired thinking about if you're leaving. See you tired of being so tired. You damn sure ain't getting even.
We are now at the beautiful man-made waterfall. Yes, so pretty.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be from as they sing.
Yeah, fishing.
Love has the power to be tangible, 'cause it's just for one. So why you out here fucking with everyone? Can we just be done? Just be done. I think I see real results, you switch on me. Instead of pulling me closer, you're straying away from me. Do you love me, or do you just tolerate me? It's time to get myself together, but came too comfy thinking you would change. But now I see it's whatever, and now I see you're just the same. I just want somebody that is tangible. Ain't looking for nobody that's invisible. Giving more than what's been given to me. And now I see it was all a fantasy. Tangible, yes I want tangible. Tangible, yes I want tangible. Tangible, yes I want tangible love. Touch is your first sense to develop. So why do I feel like I can't touch you? I want real, something I can feel. Real results and real growth. Love is a chemical state of mind. As long as we work together, we'll be fine. We can last until the end of time. Just promise that you will be mine. Tangible, yes I want tangible. Tangible, yes I want tangible love.
Ooh.
Hey,
What's up, shawty?
you still gonna come see me tonight?
I don't know about that. I gotta go make some moves.
I knew you was gonna do that. I've been thinking you've been on some other shit lately, for real.
What you talking about? You tripping?
Oh, yeah, yeah. You was the one, all of my line. Now you tripping on me like there ain't other niggas in line. It causing me stress, on the thin line of depressed. But I had to sit back and realize I am too blessed to be stressed. You must be used to females with a lack of senses. I seen, I felt, I heard your shit. I could smell it from near, I tasted it. I thought it was love, but this here ain't it. Your senses open, cause they all you're joking. Playing around with your feelings, got you thinking it's working. In reality, they don't flip the script. So watch your back, protect your heart, cause this ain't it. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. I'm a big deal. I'm pressure. Walking out your life, I ain't finna stress you. My senses tingling, was ignoring everything. Not anymore. I'm out the door. Pay attention to those signs. Read between those lines. Would you ever be blind? Your senses was right. Keep your senses open, cause they all you're joking. Playing around with your feelings, got you thinking it's working. In reality, they don't flip the script. So watch your back, protect.
Natural coconut water. What better way to hydrate? Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Some niggas be lying, had me crying. Wiped away my tears, about to move in silence. You gon' look back and see that you fumbled. I am a prized possession, so I'ma be humble. I was a blessing to you, you let me slip away. So I hope you learn today. There will never be another Lache, yeah. Keep your senses open, cause they all you're joking. Playing around with your feelings, got you thinking it's working. In reality, they don't flip the script. So watch your back, protect your heart, cause this ain't it. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoa. Yeah, yeah.
As you see, I'm now at the Elephant Cafe. It was 300 bahts for them to photograph you, over 30 something photos, and you're also able to feed the elephants while you're photographed, and it's like half the price to just feed the elephants.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off, somehow she's thinking whatever she want. Talking about another.
We have now arrived at the lake. It was 50 bahts. There was lots of activities to do here. We are walking onto this little tent. There were several around the lake where you can order food and eat. I see there was someone having a birthday party. I hear lots of people come out here on Sundays. But yeah, it was a really cool spot. Very relaxing. Food was good.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him.
You didn't think I was finished with my coconut, did you? With all that good coconut meat in there, it's really good. It you know, you can make yogurt with it, but it's good.
This one better?
It may be. Thank you. Better. Oh, that's a lot of soup.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. You get hurt it all.
Okay, thank you.
Good. You get food now, yeah? Okay.
Okay.
You hand hold here, that's here.
Oh, where?
Look, here.
Here?
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah. Sit down, please. Sit down. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kêu Nam thì nói đâu.
Yeah, sorry. Take a picture. Home.
เดี๋ยวก่อนเดี๋ยวผม
That was really fun. And I think I said I would never zip line over a water with alligators, but I don't think there were any alligators in there. I did ask them. They said it was fish. Okay, 50 bahts to head over to this other area in the park where there's these straw statues and the sheep and lamb.
Something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. I said, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. 'Cause she walk like the boss, talk like the boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. Move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent.
This one called sheep,
Sheep,
and this one lamb.
lamb, Okay.
Lamb.
lamb. Okay.
Yeah, right. And the big one, sheep.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Lambs are the babies and sheep are the 12 months and older. Will they not touch you?
Ooh, there's something about kind of woman that can do for herself. I look at her and it makes me proud. There's something about her.
So will they all come? Oh, they are coming. Look, Pat, behind you. It's a lot of them. No, you have some. Let him get some. It's coming.
Wow, a lot.
I know, it's a lot.
Oh my God.
They're fighting. Uh-oh. You have some in your mouth. That's not fair. Hold on.
Wow.
You gotta give the little one some.
Give a little.
Hold on. Oh, you're so pretty. I'm just gonna lay it down in a minute. Okay. Oh, the little one. Hold on. Look, Pat.
Oh my God.
Come on, little one. Little one. Oh, I'm gonna give it to the little one. Here, little one. Little one. Here. It won't look. Little one. Oh. Here, you're a little one. Oh. Here. Here. Here, little one. I think he's scared. Little one's scared.
Scare?
Yeah.
You the one?
Here.
Wow.
Here, little one. Here. Oh.
You scare?
Little one. Here. Last one. Yeah, little one scared. Perfect.
Yes.
something oh so sexy about kind of woman that don't even need my past.